What's really neat is that we can extend the notion that we have of these trigonometric functions to angles that not necessarily correspond to angles of right triangles. And we'll see this later in the course, but for now, let's just realize that calculators can actually compute the sines and cosines and tangents of angles that are actually bigger than 90 degrees. And so just to show you that, in fact, we can do this, I just want to find the trigonometric functions of a lot of different angles. Look, 127, that's huge. 54 is not a big deal, but 101, I had a fever like that once. So let's just turn on the calculator and do some quick calculations. So it works the same way. You just type sine, and then you put the angle you have, measure, and then you just report the answer. So this answer would be, and I'll round, by the way. I'll round to the nearest hundredth. So this rounds to 0.80 if you round it. Actually, I think it's sort of fun to try these along with me. If you actually have a calculator while you're watching right now, it'd be sort of fun to sort of do them with me, and you can sort of see that you're actually getting the right answer when you round. Sort of like live math. I love live math. Okay, let's do this one together. Tangent of 54, and that equals, if I round it, 1.38. I'm rounding again to the nearest 100th. So this is 1 and 38 100ths. Okay, and then finally cosine of 101, and that equals, oh, look, it's a negative number. Interesting, we haven't seen that yet. But sometimes weird things happen when we look at sines, cosines, and tangents of really big angles. And we'll see more about this later. But for now, let's just enjoy the surprise of seeing that this is negative 0. And I'll round 19. And you can try it for yourself and see that's a negative number. So that's pretty neat. Anyway, it's terrific. The point is we can find the trigonometric functions and evaluate them at even really big angles. Weird things might happen, but stay tuned.